If you're in a bar fight, which weapon do you use? An empty beer bottle or a full beer bottle? Well, thankfully, you have science to answer that question for you. As back in 2008, a research team at the Institute of Forensic Medicine in the University of Bern in Switzerland answered this question using physics. In order to conduct this study, the researchers took 10 different beer bottles, all from the same beer company in Switzerland. 6 of which were empty and 4 of which were full. And once they collected these bottles, they basically tested each one of them through a drop tower. That being a tower in which they put the beer bottle at the bottom of it and dropped a steel ball from the top of it. Or at least from the height they decided to drop it from within the drop tower. Then, once they were done dropping the steel ball on all 10 of the bottles, they then calculated the amount of energy it took for each bottle to break. And what they discovered was kind of unexpected. As when you're given the option between an empty bottle and a full bottle and are asked which one you'd expect to break first, you typically choose the empty bottle, right? Well, according to the study, that is actually not what happens. Instead, what the scientists found was that with the full beer bottles, they broke at around 30 joules of energy. Meanwhile, the empty beer bottles broke whenever they experienced 40 joules of energy, allowing researchers to conclude that empty beer bottles are actually more durable than full beer bottles. And as far as using the beer bottles in a bar fight situation, both would actually cause a decent amount of damage, as it takes anywhere between 14.1 all the way to 68.5 joules cubed in order to fracture someone's skull. Which I feel like is absolutely insane that you could just do that with a beer bottle. But what's even more insane is a year after this publication got published, it actually won the Ig Nobel for biology in 2009.